Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find out time and simple interest. First, let's understand the basic concept and formula. Simple interest is a straightforward method for calculating interest on a principal amount. The core formula we use is I equals P times R times T. Here, I represents the total interest earned or paid, P is the principal amount, R is the annual interest rate, and T is the time in years. This fundamental equation is our starting point for all calculations. Now our goal is to find the value of T for time. To do this, we need to isolate T in the simple interest formula. Starting with I equals P times R times T, we can divide both sides of the equation by P and R. This step moves P and R to the other side of the equation. Our new formula for time becomes T equals I, divided by the product of P and R. This rearranged formula is essential for solving these specific problems. Before plugging in numbers, let's clarify each variable's role. I is the total interest, a monetary value. P is the principal, the original amount. For example, if you borrow $1,000, that is your principal. R is the annual interest rate. It must always be expressed as a decimal. So, a 5% rate becomes 0.05. Remember to ensure R is the yearly rate and convert it correctly. Imagine you earned $45 in interest from an initial investment of $500 with an annual rate of 3%. Convert 3% to 0.03. Now, use our formula. T equals I divided by P times R. Plug in 45 for I, 500 for P, and 0.03 for R. So, T equals 45 divided by the product of 500 and 0.03. This simplifies to 45 divided by 15, resulting in a time of 3 years for the investment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.